In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Notepad is missing in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar here and type for CMD. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, which is the command prompt system, please click on Run as Administrator to continue. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can give permission and running the command prompt as administrator. So before you proceed, you would be able to see two command texts that I have included at the description box below. So all you need to do is you need to copy it. Okay? So please copy it. Okay, so in my case, my notepad is here, but if you in your case it's not, then we are going to fix it and we are going to install that here again in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So the very first command that you need to do is you need to type this one, or you can simply paste it, which is this one. So all you need to do is you need to type it here. Okay, just press Control V, key together. Okay, Control V, and wait until this would be done. Once done, you need to type this one. Okay, just type this one where you can add or install the notepad. Okay, so this is the one, dism space forward slash online space forward slash add the hyphen capability space forward slash capability name colon Microsoft.Windows.Notepad, then this one, then 0.0.1.0. Okay, so just have to type this one and wait until this would be finished. It could take 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, and once you're done, all you need to do is you need to close all of the windows and restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you would be able to see your notepad again here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.